Customers who are configured for client-side playback may listen to recent calls on their devices. The Recents tab displays a list of your call history. Arrows indicate whether a call was sent or received, by whom, and the date and time of the call. When the call is sent to or comes from a channel, the name will be listed in parentheses. To access the client-side playback, long press on a call to access the secondary menu. Then select Playback. The calls are organized with the most recent at the top of the list. Each call log includes the user or channel name and the time and duration of the call. You may playback the call by pressing the play icon. The current call in play will highlight. You may also skip forward or backward in 10-second increments by pressing the appropriate icons. The client-side playback files for all private one-to-one calls, one-to-many ad hoc calls, and channel calls are encrypted and are retained for up to 24 hours or until you delete them or sign out of the app.